I will discuss a very brief overview with you and the main features of the website, because discussing all the features and functionalities of the website would make the overview video a little longer than an hour. So I am giving you a brief overview of the website. First, you can see the home page where I have designed the home page just like the Amazon website. And remember that all the pages, images and sections of the website, including colors, can be redesigned according to your desired design and requirements. So let's first go to the shop page where all the products of your store will be listed. You can see that we have come to the shop page and it shows all the product categories here. That means that your products will show here in the categories they belong to. There are also options here such as filter size, rating options, and by default, each product is shown in a grid layout. For example, if I click here on the list layout, you can see that the products have come in a list format. But let me put it back in grid layout. Also, note that this is working with a complete Ajax function. Because of this, it will load automatically, and you can see that the products will be loading automatically as many products as you have. And this feature is exactly on the Amazon website. So let's go up. Now let me show you by purchasing a product how the functionality and inventory management of this WordPress e-commerce website work. So I am setting the default sort to average rating here for testing, and with this your customers will be able to sort according to their wishes. And after selecting the average rating, you can see that the products with higher ratings have come, and we will look at this product for testing. Through these three icons, we can take a quick view of this product, and we can contract the product to our wish list. At the same time, we can compare this product with other products. So let's go directly to the single product page. So I clicked here. We have come to the single product page. Here I will talk to you about another important feature, which is that our website will have automatic language translation with this feature, and through this feature you can translate this website into any language. Here by default English is selected, but if I want to select Chinese from here, the website will be automatically translated through Google. I have selected here, and you can see Google is loading here. The website translator is very fast and completely free, so you don't have to spend any money for website translation. You can see that every writing has changed. Now, if I translate this from Chinese to Arabic, it will automatically translate. You can see that the website has been completely translated from Chinese to Arabic. A customer and visitor can translate the website in any language and purchase products. So I'm selecting the English language again here, since we're going to purchase a product. And here you can see that this is the main picture of the product, and we can add more pictures in the gallery. And here we can see three variations of the product. A product can have different types of colors, such as there is a black color here. The color is automatically changing. Here and there are red and yellow colored products. When you select these, the product picture will change automatically. So let me show you by purchasing an item. You can see that I have added 5 items here, and I added it to add to cart. You can see that the product has been added to our cart. We will view cart since we need to see the complete inventory management. So we came to the cart page. Now see, the cart page shows everything here. For example, the image of the product, the name of the product, and the price of the product, including the quantity and the total price of the product. At the same time, we can use a coupon code here because every store must have a discount code. And also, some more product recommendations are shown below that you can take these products according to the suitability of this product. In other words, a customer is interested in taking it. So since we are going to check out, let's now click the button to go to the checkout page. Finally, we have come to the checkout page here, and we can give the customer's first name, last name, and company name, including the country, street address, and all the necessary information here. I have given some demo information of my own as a default so that I can show you this overview. How the main features needed in an e-commerce website work. Now, if we look to the right, you will see that the information about the product is mentioned here, what the price of the product is, and if there are any more charges here, then these will be shown here. If we have more coupon codes, then we can put them here on the checkout page along with the cart page. Now let's talk about the payment gateway. An important thing is the bank payment gateway. We can add and use different types of payments here. For example, PayPal, Payoneer, Stripe, GPay, Apple Pay. At the same time, there are hundreds of other payment gateways. For example, you will be able to integrate AliExpress, debit and credit card payment gateways and accept payments from customers. At the same time, you can make direct bank transfers and cash on delivery. I am selecting cash on delivery by default for testing purposes, and I put a check mark here. And at the same time, we will be able to add terms and conditions here, and if all our information is correct, we will click on place order to complete the order. And after the entire processing, you can see where thank you, your order has been received. That means the work of our inventory, the main inventory is working very well, which is exactly like the Amazon website and is a very powerful clone website. Also, as I told you before, you can change your desired logo and colors and any section of the website according to your own requirements or have it developed again. And I am ready to fully cooperate with you in this regard. So contact me and don't forget to comment and share your opinion. If we notice here, it shows the order number as well as the order date and total price of the product and the payment method. It shows through which payment gateway the payment has been received. At the same time, billing address. The billing address here shows the information. If the customers have any information, everything will be shown here. Now let's come to the About Us page. On this About page, you will be able to provide all the information of your online platform by which customers and visitors will get a complete idea about your business. I have added some dummy sample images and text here. And after restoring the backup file of the website I provided, contact me to develop or customize this page so that I can add your contents to this page. Since communication is important for a website through which visitors and customers can contact you through the contact form. So let's take a look at this page. You can quickly see here that I have given a map because you definitely need a map of your business online, through which customers will be able to know your location, and I have added a contact form here through which customers can contact you directly if needed. And you can add the complete information of your location and phone number along with your email address and opening hours below. So this was a brief overview of the website, and let's discuss the last feature anyway. You can see that there is a login option on the top right side. By clicking here, customers will be able to enter their account, and if they don't have an account, customers can create or log into their own account through the sign up button. So this was a brief overview of the website, And as I said, I have omitted many things in this overview, because if I discuss the complete overview of this video or this website, it will take a minimum of 1 hour. Because as you already know, when discussing all the overviews of the website, it takes a lot of time. So let's start the episode of how to restore the website to your own hosting panel. To install this website on your server, the first step is to download the development files of my Amazon clone website through the link in the video description. Once you have downloaded the complete files, install WordPress on your own hosting server or web server. After WordPress is fully installed, you need to go to your WordPress dashboard panel. I will go to the main WordPress dashboard, where we will be presented with a completely new admin panel interface that is entirely empty and clean. First, we need to add 2 plugins to restore the backup files of the Amazon clone website on your server. To add the plugins, I am clicking on the Add New Plugin option, allowing us to upload and activate both plugins. After downloading the complete file, first we need to extract it. I have provided the full website backup along with 2 plugins in this backup folder. I have included 3 folders: the backup folder containing all the website backup files, a second folder with a brief instruction regarding the website, and the last mockup folder where I have provided the design for each page of the website. After going to the plugin folder, we need to add these 2 plugins to your WordPress. So I will upload and activate the plugins one by one. Once the plugin is activated, you will see a new option named All-in-One WP Migration. Now we need to add another plugin, so let's upload this plugin and then activate it. Now that both plugins are activated, we need to go to the import option. You can also see that there are some other options along with the export option. So since we will be importing the Amazon clone website, let's go to the import page. You can see that we have arrived at the import page, where we can easily restore by dragging and dropping the file. So we need to go back to the file manager and return one folder back to see that there is a file named WPress that we need to upload to our import page. The complete file will take a while to upload to your WordPress import page. So please wait for the backup file to be uploaded to your WordPress admin panel. Once the complete backup file is uploaded, we will need to click the Proceed button, meaning that the backup file of our Amazon clone website has been uploaded. Now we will initiate the restoration by clicking the Proceed button. Keep in mind that restoring each file and database of the website will take some time, so please wait for the complete restoration. Now, our Amazon clone website has completely been restored on your hosting server, which is why you are seeing your website has been imported successfully. Let's click on the Finish button and go to the home page of the website. Once the complete website has loaded, you will see that I have given you an overview of the website in the previous part of this video, and the Amazon clone website is exactly as I showed, fully restored on your WordPress hosting panel, resembling the actual Amazon website. You can check each page of the website as you like, such as the About Us page, the Contact Us page, and each product page. You can also check the website's inventory management. And to log in, we need to click on the login icon. Here, I will enter the username demo user and the password as 2020, then check remember and log in. After logging in, You can see that our complete admin panel's top bar is displayed. Let's head to the dashboard. Upon accessing the dashboard, you will see that all options and menus are visible, including the web pages, post options, and products. We can view all products and also add new products from here. Additionally, all the plugins and extensions related to analytics, marketing, and security that I have added to the website will be available in this dashboard panel. So